Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to learn some questions from KMC. Let's see, our topic today is calculation strategies on fractions. In fact, these tricks we are gonna to learn today is quite useful. You can also apply those methods to solve the calculation of decimals or percentages. Let's see the first question. 1 minus 1/2 times 1 minus 1/3 times 1 minus 1/4 and times 1 minus 1/5. Okay, so all these brackets should be multiplied together. If you want to calculate it faster, the first step is always to observe the expression and to find the special points of it. But it looks like we cannot have some direct trick to solve it easier. So let's do the brackets first. So we can get 1/2 here and the times 1 minus 1/3, we will get 2/3 left over. 1 minus 1/4, we get 3/4 left over. And the times 4/5 times 5/6 times 6/7. Yes, so it's just like this. And now let's observe this expression. Have you found something? We can simplify it by cancel out the common factors. So 2 and 2 can be cancelled out. We will get 1 left over. 3 and 3 cancelled out. We can get 1 left over. 4 and 4. 5 and 5. 6 and 6. So finally, in the numerators, we got everything is 1, and no matter how many ones are here, multiply them together, we will get only 1 left over. And for the denominator, we get 5 ones and 1 7. So multiply them together, we can also get 7. The answer is just 1/7. Okay, so you see, it's not very difficult now, right? We just need to simplify it by cancel out common factors. So simplification is the basic trick to calculate fractions faster. So remember to use it well. Let's see the second part. It's a bit different. 12 times 1/2 plus 5/3 or 5/3. We need to do the brackets first this time. It looks a bit complicated because if we do the brackets first, we have to find the least common denominator first and to do the addition and finally do the multiplication. It sounds a bit complicated. Can we find an easier way? In fact, in this question, we can learn how to use distributive law of multiplication. It's just like you only need to multiply the number outside the brackets with the number inside the brackets one by one, just like this. First, we multiply 12 and 1/2. Second, we multiply 12 and 5/3. Then remember, the sign between the two numbers, the sign inside the brackets, stay the same. So you should also add the two parts together. And now, half of 12 is 6. And 12 multiplied by 5/3, we can cancel 3 out and we will get 5 left over. So 5 times 4, we will get 4 left over. And 4 times 5 equals 20. Finally, you just need to add 20 and 6 together. It's quite simple now. It's 26. Okay, so you see, as long as you use the distributive law here, finally you just need to do a simple addition. It's quite easy, right? So remember to use it well. Also, we have an inverse way of distributive law. It's called extraction. Let's see this question. 2/7 times 26 plus 2/7 times 15 plus 2/7. This time, we don't have a bracket, but we want to put something into the brackets so that we can make the calculation easier. How can we do that? Here, we can extract the common factors. It's 2/7, and then we can put a bracket here. That is 26, because between these, the first two operations, the sign is plus. So, inside the brackets, the sign stays the same. It's still plus. And finally, don't forget this 2/7 at last. Okay, so now, but it seems still not that easy, because we still have a 2/7 left over here. So, let's see, can we try to find a way to make this 2/7 into an operation? Don't forget the mirror number. The mirror number in multiplication is 1, because when we multiply 1 and any number, we will get the number itself finally. So that's why it's called a mirror. So here we can extract the 2/7 again, and we will get 26 plus 15 and plus 1. And finally, we can do the brackets first now. So 2/7 times 42. Now we just need to cancel 7 out, and we will get 6 left over here. Finally, you just need to multiply 2 and 6, and we can get 12 as the answer. So you see, sometimes we remove brackets, sometimes we add brackets, but no matter in what way, we can make the calculation easier finally. In fact, distributive law of multiplication or extraction of common factors are quite useful, not only for fractions, but also you can use it to solve the calculation of decimals or percentages or even integers. So try to master it well and use it well. That's all for today's class. See you next time. Bye bye.